Mylee the Pug says, make your life easy with Excel.
Hi everybody, this is Mylee the Pug and I'm Andy Eshe and we're here to make your life easy with Excel. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the Vlookup function in Excel. The purpose of the Vlookup is to be in one tab of the spreadsheet and retrieve data from another tab in the spreadsheet. Here's how it works. In today's exercise, we have a list of restaurants and addresses on tab A and a list of restaurants and phone numbers on tab B. In order for Vlookup to work, two tabs need something in common. In this case, the two tabs have store ID in common. So I will use Vlookup to bring the phone numbers on tab B into tab A. Step 1 is to enter the Vlookup formula. All formulas, all functions in Excel begin with the equal sign, Vlookup, left parentheses, the store ID in cell A2 because that's what I'm going to connect tabs A and B with, comma, go over to tab B, highlight the store ID column, on over to the phone column. The answer I'm looking for is in the second column, so that's where I want it to return the value from, so 2, comma, false. What false means is if you don't find anything, then return NA for not applicable. Right parentheses, hit the enter key. Okay, so it returned the phone number there for restaurant number 1. So I'm going to take this Vlookup formula and copy it down. And there we go. Now notice in this cell it returned 0. It didn't return a phone number. That means that it found the store ID number 7 on tab B, but there was no phone number to return, so it returned a 0. That is different from what happened here. This is not applicable. What that means is you couldn't even find the store ID number 11 on tab B, so it returns not applicable. So a 0 is not the same as not applicable. There are two watchouts when using Vlookups. I was able to copy this down, but Vlookups can be copied up and down, but they cannot be copied across. They just don't work that way. Second, Vlookup only return the first value it finds. So in other words, if there were two store IDs number 1 on tab B, it would only return the first one. You would miss the second one. So this is how you use the Vlookup function in Excel. To see more Excel videos on PG2, just type in the keyword Mylee, M-Y-L-E-E, which stands for Make Your Life Easy with Excel. Have an excellent day.
Mylee the Pug says, make your life easy with Excel.